Are you craving something delicious and easy to make? Sushi Bake is the answer. First, grab a baking dish and spread a layer of cooked sushi rice evenly at the bottom. Now in a bowl, mix together some chopped imitation crab, mayo, and a splash of sriracha for that spicy kick. Spread this creamy mixture over the rice. Next, sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese on top. Pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until it's golden and bubbly. While it's baking, prep your toppings. Slice up some avocados, cucumbers, and spring onions. Once the sushi bake is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. Finally, garnish with your fresh toppings and a drizzle of soy sauce. Serve it with nori sheets and dig in. There you have it. A super easy and delicious sushi bake that will have everyone asking for seconds. Happy cooking!